space. The final frontier. These are not the voyages of any enterprises. This is a voyage of one man solving space. Welcome to the space video. Mysteries of space. Mysteries of space. I found this article that I have not previewed by Business Insider. 7 mysteries of space that scientists can't explain. Scientists cannot explain what we're about to witness. Disclaimer. Disclaimer. This is inevitably going to lead to a discussion about aliens. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below about aliens. I'm just going to put it out there. I don't believe in aliens. Personally, I think that if aliens were out there, we would have heard something, seen something, because we as human explorers, we've heard so much of space, we've seen so much of space, we would have come across aliens by now. I'm just putting that on the table. I don't believe in aliens personally. You can let me know your thoughts in the comments. You can fight me. I'm probably gonna maintain my position. Let's get into it. All right. Oh, starting off strong. 2001 Space Odyssey. No. It's no secret that space is full of mysteries. Much of what we learn from deep space is pieced together from falling objects and views from telescopes. Those telescopes are powerful as frick, though. We have seen so much already. Yes, chilling space mysteries. Let's go. Black holes. Okay, we're starting off strong. Black holes are no joke. They are a magnet of light and time and gravity. Everything just kind of dies in its center. It's so weird. Okay, sorry, just a sidebar. I know Interstellar gives their own interpretation of this, but like, what happens when you reach singularity in a black hole? When you reach the dead center? Like, what happens? Because I feel like in the center of a black hole, just time, space, gravity, reality as we know it just isn't. It just isn't in a singularity of a black hole. It's just not there anymore. Anyways, sorry. I'm fascinated by black holes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. They're formed when a giant star collapses, imploding into a tiny area of such intense gravity even the surrounding light is sucked in. This means, although we've got a sense of how black holes work, we've still never actually seen one. Wait, when is this article dated? Oh, 2016. This is an outdated article. We have actually witnessed a black hole. You may have seen it before. There's the picture. First ever real photograph of a black hole. We've seen traces of black holes. Like, there's this picture over here where you see like gravitational lensing, which occurs around a black hole. You see light is kind of bending around this unseen point. If I even find this picture. But yeah, we've seen black holes now that pick up electromagnetic radiation. We can only guess what they look like on the inside. That is true. That still remains a mystery. I don't think we'll ever know what it looks like on the inside. If we sent a probe, it would lose contact. Yeah, there's really no way to explore a black hole. I wouldn't want to go anywhere near one of these things. Another thing. There are some black holes that just travel through space. There's just flying black holes that just kind of zip, zap, zap-a-dooping all around space, and that is freaky. So if you want another reason to not sleep at night, a black hole can just kind of zip by us, destroy life as we know it. Anyways, the giant void. What's the giant void? Unlike a black hole, the giant void isn't a hole in space. Instead, it's curiously empty of both matter and dark matter. And also different from a black hole, light can pass through the void. Those scientists believe it contains dark energy? Dark energy? Dark energy is an unknown form of energy that affects the universe on the largest scales. I don't really have time to do my own research into this, but that sounds interesting. Might have to check that out later. If you want to give dark energy a look for yourself, yeah, any astrophysicists watching this video, just leave a comment. I like talking to people. That's interesting. So there's just a giant spot of nothingness in space. I mean, statistically, because of how big the universe is, there are going to be like gaps of matter, but still, that's so weird. Estimated diameter of 1.3 billion light years. Yikes. Dark matter. Dark matter's epic. Still a mystery, but we're relying on it to help explain some of the unknowns of the universe. Yeah, it's just kind of a concept that we invented to explain other things that do occur. It's kind of like physics. A lot of physics is just like making up concepts to explain other concepts. One theory is that dark matter is made up of primordial black holes. Interesting. Huh. Dark matter. Yeah, that stuff is whack. Dark energy. Oh, hey, we're coming back to dark energy. Okay. A lot more is in the form of dark energy. It makes up 68% of everything around us. The normal matter we all know and love is only 5% of the universe. Jeez. And like dark matter, we don't know much about dark energy, but the current hypothesis is that it's what's behind the increasing expansion of the universe, whereas dark matter slows it. I thought this was just going to be about like unexplained things that have happened. I thought we were going to see a lot more like UFO sightings or like stray signals that we've received or something. But this is just about like astrological phenomena. I'm kind of digging this list, honestly. The Great Attractor. I've heard about this thing. I don't know what it is, but there's something 220 million light years away that's pulling our galaxy towards it. There's this gravitational mass that's pulling our galaxy, not just our solar system, the Milky Way galaxy, to itself. The cluster pointed out above is a gravitational anomaly known as the Great Attractor, and its brightness is due to its gravitational attraction. Some point to dark matter as the cause, and others claim that our own galaxy is blocking our view of whatever it is. So we don't know what the Great Attractor is. It could be like a planet the size of a galaxy. It could be like just a massive, supermassive black hole. We don't know. But there's something big enough or strong enough to pull the Milky Way galaxy into itself. And of course, this is like millions of light years away, hundreds of millions of light years away. So like, we're not gonna get there. Not in our lifetime, not in our great grandkids' lifetime. Like, it's, man. But that's insane though. Saturn's mystery moon, Peggy. For a brief moment, Saturn had a tiny moon named Peggy. Back in 2013, Cassini took this snapshot of Saturn's rings and caught a disturbance that astronomers believe is a new tiny moon. It's just a little speck off the edge of one of its disks. Unfortunately, NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab pointed out in a press release announcing the satellite, the object is not expected to grow any larger and may even be falling apart. So we might have already seen the end of Peggy before we even saw the beginning. That's kind of sad. But how do you look at that and say that it's a moon? How do you... I don't know. That could just be like a really shiny rock on one of the edges of the belt. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Any astronomers watching this video? Tabby's star, KIC 8462852. There's something big in the way of this star. About 20% of the light the star emits is blocked from our vantage point. And it's probably not a planet. Even one as large as Jupiter would only block 1%. So some of this star's light is just not reaching Earth. I wonder how that is. Some have suggested it's a Dyson swarm, a less complete version of a megastructure known as a Dyson sphere, which surrounds a star and harvests its energy output. Okay, so now we're getting into more extraterrestrial territory. A Dyson sphere, it's a structure that surrounds a star and harvests its solar energy. So basically a giant Death Star with a star inside it. Okay, so they're saying aliens might have built like an incomplete Dyson sphere around it, causing less light to come through. We'll probably get a better idea of what's going on when NASA launches the James Webb Space Telescope. But until then, unknown alien megastructure sounds like a pretty cool explanation. It does sound cool. I love the concept. I don't believe in aliens. It could just be like an asteroid belt or something, like a massive asteroid belt around the star or around something else. I don't know. There could be a number of things in the way of that star's light hitting Earth. Oh, that's it. That's the list. Before we close off this video, I just have to talk about this planet. Sorry, this is a tangent, but it kind of goes with the list because it's a really impressive planet. This is it right here, K2-141b. It is an exoplanet about 202 light years away from Earth. There's our sun over there. Say hi. But this planet orbits extremely close to the sun that it orbits. So this half of the planet gets all of the sunlight year round. This sucker is baking on one side, but the interesting thing about it is, I'm getting to it, this side of the planet gets so hot that the rock on this side liquefies and then evaporates. This side of the planet gets so hot that rock evaporates into clouds made of rock. These clouds then naturally will travel to the dark side of the planet and rain lava. Rock clouds rain lava. This planet is a nightmare. This is literally Mustafar from freaking Star Wars. Yeah, this planet's crazy. I just wanted to point that planet out since we're talking about space. This sucker gets so hot that the rocks liquefy and evaporate as clouds and then rain molten lava and rock onto the cool side of the planet. K2-141b is
literally hell.
Yeah, sorry, I just wanted to show you this. This is from the nasa.gov site. It's got its own link, exoplanets.nasa.gov. You can explore exoplanets, you can view them kind of like I was doing here. It's a really cool site, you should check it out, but you have to kind of do research if you want to know about the stars or know about the planets. All they give you is this brief description saying when it was discovered and how far it is away from Earth. This planet is no joke. I just wanted to bring us to a close with that sidebar. This is a really interesting video. I'm fascinated with space, and I'm kind of glad that all the things on that list were like actual astrological phenomena as opposed to like potential UFO sightings or like, you know, contact with aliens, because, you know, I'm a skeptic. I don't believe in aliens. Let me know in the comments below what you think. But that's gonna bring this video to a close. I'm gonna keep doing this for as long as I can, like as long as I physically can, because I'm actually having a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you enjoy all my videos. I'm posting whenever I feel like, which right now is daily. So check it out, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in an upcoming video. See you later.